Hello everyone. Today once again I'm going to show you how you can create your ad code in Google AdSense. Just go to click on add units, then click on new ad unit. We are going to create an ad that is text and display ads. Okay, so click on select, and we are going to create different size of responsive ad code. We are going to I already showed you how in the next tutorial, in the last tutorial I showed you how you can create a responsive ad code. Today I'm going to show you how you can create link ads. Okay, so I click just on link ads, and you can take horizontal large or horizontal medium or vertical large. Okay, so I'm going to create this one. It's showing uh, automatic size responsive links. Okay, so we can take this one first, then save and get the code. This field is required. We can name it automatic size responsive links. Okay, save and get the code, and it has been saved and add code is here. Just highlight it, then copy the code. I will save it in a notepad before I give it to my developers. Okay, so this is my notepad, and I paste it, but before I paste it I want to mention what type of uh, ad code it is it automatic size responsive links. Okay, so I just paste it. So my developers, they might ask for different kind of ad code, so I'm creating actually different kind of ad codes. Okay, so next I'm going to create another different kind of codes. You can just go to new ad unit, click here again, then go to showing recommended, just go to link ads. We already take this one, I'm going to take this one now. Just save and get the code, and before doing it I have to also mention the name. It can be anything. The name can be anything you want. You can even put your name. Okay, at the same time I can mention also the size is 728 into 15. Okay, so that the developer can understand what size this ad code is. Alright, I can again copy it, then just paste it. And I can mention what size is this. Okay, this is link code, but at the same time um, I can check what size is this. Mm, Horizontal large. Okay, so I can mention this is horizontal large. And this is 7028 into 15. Okay, now again, if you want, you can create different kind of ads. You can just click here again, then go to recommended, click on link ads, then take this one if you want it, just horizontal medium. This is horizontal medium, and I'm taking that is 468 into 5. Okay, so I'm taking this one, then I can just generate the code, take it, and just mention this is horizontal, not large, horizontal medium. Horizontal medium. Okay, and we can take one more code. Actually, not one more, two more, right? So go again, click on link ads, take this one, vertical extra large. It's a vertical extra x large, and that is 200 by 90. Okay, then just save and get the code, and the code has been created here. Just copy it, and the name of it horizontal extra large, right? Horizontal extra large or vertical extra large, not horizontal. This is vertical extra large. So just mention this is vertical extra large. Okay, then finally we are going to create the last kind of ad code, that is recommended link ad. Which one? This one, 180 by 90, right? 180 by 90. Vertical large. This is vertical large 180 by 90. Save and get the code, and the code is here. Now you have learned how to create or generate code in Google AdSense. What kind of code we created? We can see here. This is vertical large. Vertical large. Okay, vertical large and 180 by 90. All right. Now just what you can do. Let me show you. If you are developing your site by yourself, you can um, put all the code by yourself into your pages, web pages, or your blog pages. Okay, uh, this is number 1, and I want to give the numbers so that the developers can easily find out the codes. Okay, it's very important to make it easy to the developer so that they can work more comfortably and more easily without spending or wasting time. Okay, so that's all about. Now what I will do, I will just copy it and send it to my developers. All right, so what I can do, I can just copy them. I can just copy, then I copy it and send it to my developer. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video.